Here we go. We just changed out the network card. Now we're firing up Windows 7. And let's see if that driver is installed automatically. There it is, installing driver software. Click here for status. There we go, installing Ethernet controller. It's installing the driver now automatically. Plug and play. Plug it in and it'll automatically install and you can play it. That's what plug and play means, so let's see if it really works. It did find it. It says Ethernet controller right there. Let's go to the back of the computer now. And let's see what's going on. So this is the new Ethernet card and the Ethernet cable plugged in right here, but you see that there is a light right here and I don't see any light working, so right now it is not working yet.